stretched. I hate when you just show up and like, I know the feeling of not being warmed up, and then I know the feeling of like trying a trick and it just feels like the laws that applied when you were warmed up just don't even apply. Totally different trick. It's like learning a new trick. 5-0. Whatever I grab, I grab. I don't even care. Boards rolling everywhere. If you guys really can see how this is, it's windy as fuck. It's so windy. I got on the chest mount so you really can't see my POV, but you can just see my feet. Not everywhere I look, but somewhere. Slipping off. Smithy. Ah. Scary. Ah! Sticky. Sticky. Everything's sticky here today. The rail's alright. Ah! Super windy. I don't even understand how it's so windy. All my tricks are basically getting fucked up because of the wind. But that's cool. Oh fuck, I could have fucked my ankle up right there. I gotta pop better. You know something about these VXs? I want to say it's losing pop a little. I mean, I've been skating it pretty hard, but I don't know. I just bought another one too. Oh, that was nice. Ooh. Yeah. Being a bitch. I mean, I had that a few weeks ago beautifully. Oh, there we go. See, it's all about getting up there, right? And not trying to just get the end. Chances are, if you have confidence enough to do the whole thing, your subconscious is going to tell your legs, get the fuck up there. I feel like that's what the trick is. Just go for it. Skate away. I'll be honest, after been skating the bowl in Daytona, I kind of have more confidence. To be honest. Let me try something here. For sure, more confidence. Like, I don't really feel like I'm trying too hard. I'm not doing it. Trying to lose this one. Ooh, that's cool. If I could pivot out of that, I feel like that's what that trick is meant for. And I've been meaning to kind of learn that. Let me try a baby one. I might get fucked up. Yeah, I don't know. I guess like what I'm doing is a fake version of a nollie back a lip. Peace, bro. Josh. What's your name? Brian, nice to meet you, bro. You from? Yeah, it's Kaleidoscopic. See, or here, my YouTube channel. I have a skateboard YouTube channel. It's called Cosmic Mojo. Cosmic Mojo. And then all my social medias are in the description links. Awesome. So just go and follow me. I'll follow you back. All right. Thank you so much. All right, bro. Yep. Yep. Nice meeting you. All right, here we go. So here's the trick. And it's fun, but I feel like if I get a good pivot off it, that shit'll feel way better. It's hard though. I guess I just gotta. Yeah, that's scary. You know what I could practice, how I could do it? Sometimes you gotta reverse engineer a trick, like yeah, that's the part of the trick that I don't switch, rock, and roll. The roll part. Rolling to switch is crazy feeling. Front side at least, I don't know. It's the same as the switch front 180 though, so if I think about it like that. Yeah, I don't know, man. It seems. Here we go. Oh, see, I kind of committed. Alright, so also I could. Oh, almost fucked my ankle, bro. Kickflips are all about faith. Cause like you think you don't want to stick to it, you get fucked. Actually, I'm finna 50-50 the hubba and then kickflip this. Here's the hubba. I'm gonna 50-50 that. And then I'm gonna kickflip off that thing. So see if it slides. It's all right. Oh, fuck. Oh, there we go. You missed it. Yeah, I got it. I 50'd the hubba and then I kickflipped off the fucking thingamabob. Thank you. Yeah. I didn't want my camera to get rained on, so I was like, you know what? Yeah. I'm gonna eat shit, so you guys are about to see me eat shit. You know, it is what it is. Ooh! Honestly, I feel like I really had good control of that. So, peace. That shit is basically like a, damn, I don't even know if I could get another one like that. Oh! I did it again. So I feel like I'm really depending on the grip of my wheels. And I have dragon formulas. They're not grippy at all. So like I'm really locking in the grip on the wheels to catch my balance. If I didn't have these wheels, which are semi-grippy, especially like, I probably would have slid out right there, but I'm really like coming down and pivoting off the grip of the wheel, which I don't really want to do. So let's see. Yeah, like I'm like going like this. If this ramp was wet, I'd probably slide out and lean on my face. So let's see. I mean, I'm gonna probably get it, but you know, I have my critiques on if I like something. I think that's a really sick trick though. Just doing any type of 360, whether it's pivotal or not, on like transition is sick. If this audio sucks and is super windy, I'm sorry. You get what you get. Here we go. See, and like that's my fear. I guess learning how to diversify my body weight and pivot is something new, in like doing it switch. Sort of. There we go, let's try one more time. Yeah. If somebody saw that, they'd probably, you know, bang the old skateboard on the ground. I'm pretty proud of it. That was nice.